Hello guys and welcome to today's market recap. I didn't took any trades because the market did not give me any opportunity to enter and did not give me any chance for my setup and my strategy and my model actually. And actually some of the move that I wanted it to happen actually happened, which is this move. And I'm going to show you now on YouTube. Here we have I told you that I want to see a retracement back into this and then take out those Asian session highs. We did see the retracement and we did see the impulse to the upside. I'm going to go into 15 minutes so you can see properly. So I told you now here that I want price to reverse, which it did, but I wanted it to go even higher and take out those relative equal highs, which is those hourly highs and those Asian session highs, which make us the relative equal highs. I really wanted to see this setup. Hold on, 7, as I showed you right here. I wanted to see price go up, take out those Asian session highs, make a change in state or a market structure shift, whatever the thing is, and then make a slight retracement into some sort of 15-minute continuation confluences, and then maybe I will take a short. But then as you can see, price ended up going higher, but it did not take out any liquidities because as I told you, there is no volume in the market because today we have a bank holiday and there's no news today actually. So I'm going to go over now the both pairs. So without further ado, don't forget to smash up the like button, please. Let's hit 190 subscribers before the end of May. We can do it. I believe in you guys. We can do it. So please don't let me down. Please, please, please. I beg you, bro. Please scroll down to this video and hit that subscribe button. Let's hit 190 subscribers. So let's get started. So going to the day, for those who did watch the video before this one, I wanted to have, or pretty much I had a bearish bias because the daily was bearish, the 4 hour was bearish, and also the 1 hour was bearish as well. So, and my main target was these 4 hour lows, and also there were a daily lows, I guess. Yeah, it was the daily lows, the 4 hour lows, and also the hourly low as well as we have those lows, and also we have those lows. Let me mark it out for you. And also I was having this main target, which is the daily fair value gap that did not get filled yet, but I was really interested in taking a very good short because we are in a bearish order flow on the higher time frames and also on the lower time frames. I want to see the buy side gets taken and some sort of change in state or change of the character or whatever you call it. I just changed the market structure or invalidation of the bullish order flow, and then make slight retracement into some continuation confluences like breaker block or order block, fair value gap, maybe equilibrium, anything like that marks will give me, and then I will eventually target even those London lows or those sell side liquidity, or even if I want to go big on this trade, I will target out those 4 hour lows sitting right here. So that was my main target on GJ, but that did not happen because market had no volume, and now there is no opportunity. Now price is going down lower because we had this hourly fair value gap. I knew that price is going to reverse from it, but I didn't want to take this risk because we have those equal highs that I'm very afraid of, because most of the time price goes on and took out either the equal highs or the equal lows, and I didn't want to be in that position. I didn't want to take unnecessary loss and unnecessary risk that is not calculated very well. So moving on to USD GPY, I also had a bearish bias. I wanted price to continue dropping lower and taking out those lows, those daily lows, and also those 4-hour lows, and it did. Eventually it did took out those lows. Hold on, let me set it up like this so you can understand properly. So I had those as my main target, those lows and also those 4-hour lows. And moving on to the hourly, I wanted to see something also, like taking out those Asian session highs in London session, and then did not happen. So what I'm thinking is on London session I will eventually look for setup. So we had these London session highs and we had these London session lows. Price eventually took out those London session lows and then made a retracement back into this hourly bearish fair value gap, and then now it's continuing its move to the downside, as well as the bearish order flow to continue taking out all of those draws on liquidity to the downside, which is the sell side liquidity. So there's no setup on USD GPY. However, on GJ we did see some sort of setup gets formed, but did not do very well because we all had those highs and none of them got taken out. That's why I stayed out of the market, and I don't want to take any unnecessary losses. Yeah, that's it. I explained everything. And by the way, guys, if you want anybody from you, if you want me to do a strategy video explaining my strategy and how I anticipate of the markets for completely free, I'm going to do a YouTube video of that. So if you want me to do that video, just comment down below in the comment section. I want you to do this strategy video. I want you to learn to teach me my strategy. I'm not a teacher, by the way. I'm just sharing my knowledge and sharing my journey with you guys. So I will be helping you with open heart. If anyone wants to see my strategy and you want me to explain my strategy, I'll be down, and for no fucking money. I will do it regardless. I got every fucking beginner role. If you're a beginner and if you truly want to trade, and if you truly have this in your bottom of your heart, and you know exactly that you're going to make it, I'm very down to help you, bro. I really want to help those guys that was in my position before. But if you just truly want to do it, like, I will do it. But if you're not just entering, like, I'm just try this trading stuff for a couple of months, and if it didn't work, no, I'm not going to help those fucking guys who don't have any dedication in their life. But if you're just truly want to this, just comment down below and I got you, bro. And I got you. I'll do not even just a video, I'll do multiple fucking videos. Just subscribe, bro, and turn that notification so you can see any content that I post here on YouTube. And just like that, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for supporting me over this journey. I'll help you guys up. I'll catch you guys up tomorrow with a new trading day. So without further ado, don't forget to smash up that like button as well as the subscribe button, please, bro. That's all what I'm asking for. I'm not asking you for anything else, just your support, your good words, and your subscriptions. So see you in the next one. Peace out.